For decades, we've been told that perfection is white, pristine, and entirely devoid of life. But as we step into 2026, a quiet revolution is taking place within our walls, signaling the long-awaited death of the sterile, showroom aesthetic that has dominated our homes for too long. We are trading clinical surfaces for the kind of spaces that breathe, move, and tell a story, proving that the most beautiful homes aren't meant to be preserved, they're meant to be lived in. Welcome to Hambelung Studio, where we peel back the layers of tradition to uncover what truly makes a house feel like a home. Today, we are exploring the evolution of the modern farmhouse, a style that is shedding its monochromatic past to embrace a new, soulful identity. We're moving beyond the expected to bring you the cutting-edge inside design trends that are redefining how we interact with our living spaces this year. Whether you are looking to soften your living room, transform your kitchen, or create a private sanctuary in your bedroom, these shifts in decor are all about finding warmth in the unexpected. We've analyzed the textures, the colors, and the philosophies that are pushing the industry forward, and we're ready to show you how to apply these concepts to your own four walls. Get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about modern living. Beyond the white box. Gone are the days of sharp, boxy furniture and clinical white walls. The 2026 Farmhouse living room is all about softening the energy. Think curved sofas that invite conversation and textured, earthy fabrics like heavy linens or buccal that beg to be touched. Instead of stark white, we're leaning into new neutrals: warm mushroom, deep charcoal, and moody olive. Use Roman clay or lime wash on the walls to add subtle, organic movement that makes the room feel like it has been here for a century, not just installed yesterday. the heart of the home. The all-white kitchen is officially a thing of the past. In this new era of *** inside design ***, the kitchen has become a sculptural sanctuary. We are seeing a move toward color drenching, where cabinetry and trim are painted in rich, grounding hues. Appliances are vanishing behind custom panels to maintain a seamless, collected look. Replace those clear glass pendants with woven rattan, ceramic, or pleated fabric shades that emit a soft, amber glow. It's about creating a space that feels gathered and authentic, rather than a sterile laboratory. A retreat of texture. Your bedroom should be the most comforting room in your home. To move away from the sterile aesthetic, focus on layering. Introduce raw, natural elements like unlacquered brass hardware that develops a unique patina over time. Consider an accent wall with vertical paneling or even subtle, heritage-inspired wallpaper. The key is wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection. Opt for heavier textiles, hand-embroidered throws, and wood tones that feel raw and tactile, creating a cocoon-like environment that encourages deep, restful sleep. Your private spa. In 2026, the bathroom is evolving into a personal spa where the focus is on tactile materials. We are trading bright, glossy subway tiles for honed limestone, soapstone, or matte, handcrafted ceramics. Think of the bathroom as a place for quiet reflection. Even in a small space, you can evoke a modern farmhouse feel by bringing in organic wood vanities and opting for warm-toned lighting fixtures. It's these small, intentional touches that transform a utilitarian room into a space that feels like a high-end retreat. Nature as an extension. The white house with black windows trend is fading into the sunset. Now, we are looking for curb appeal that blends seamlessly with the natural landscape. Think of your garden as the final room of your house. Use creamy, putty-colored tones for exteriors rather than stark white, and incorporate natural wood accents like cedar soffits or garden gates. By using materials that reflect the environment, your home will feel like it's growing out of the earth itself, rather than sitting on top of it. As we've explored today, the 2026 farmhouse movement is far more than a passing trend. It is a complete shift toward intentional, soulful living. By moving away from sterile white toward warmer, textural palettes, we aren't just changing our furniture, we are changing how our homes feel. From the layered comfort of your bedroom to the organic, spa-like atmosphere of your bathroom, the future of inside design is grounded in history, quality, and your own unique story. We hope these insights have inspired you to curate a space that feels as authentic as it looks. If you enjoyed this deep dive into modern decor, make sure to subscribe to the Hambelung Studio community, like this video, and share it with someone who is ready to bring a little more soul into their home.